Liris Chica. Pinatunayan ni Donnie Pangilinan na mahal niya ang aktres na si Bel Mariano. Please keep her out of your narratives. Yan ang inahayag ng aktor sa kanyang social media account na X. Alam mo yun, true love isn't just about the sweet moments, the romantic getaways, or the tender words. It's about having the courage to speak up when she's being judged, defend her when she's being criticized, and remind everyone of her worth when they're trying to diminish it. He recognized her value, so beyond the surface, and made sure the world did too. A man is standing up for his partner, and not just in the good times, but in the tough times, in the face of adversity and in the midst of chaos. That's a love that's not afraid to take a stand, to be her voice when she's being silenced, and to be her shield when she's being attacked. That's a love that's worth fighting for. Sabi nga ni Donnie, as for Belle, please keep her out of your narrative. She is beautiful, talented, and most importantly has a great heart. Nothing you say or do will change that. And he fulfilled his promise that he will fight for Belle. We love you, Dondel, as always. Diba pinatunayan ni Donnie Pangilinan na magkaiba yung nagtagal at matibay. Minsan kahit nagtagal kayo, hindi na totoo yung nararamdaman. Toxic na kumapit na lang kayo sa salitang matagal na kasi kami. Ang matibay, kahit anong problema, away, hiwalayan ang dumating, babalik kayo sa isa't isa. Pipiliin nyo pa rin maging kayo hanggang sa huli. If you really want to be with someone in the future, always choose that person.